Hi, guys. Welcome to our series all about Wix carts, orders, and checkouts. Today, we're going to learn how to request payment via invoice for unpaid orders on your Wix site. Here's how you can do it. On your site's dashboard, go to Sales and select Orders. Look for the unpaid order you want to work on and then click on it. Click on Collect Payment on the upper right and select Charge with Invoice. A pop-up will appear. The subtotal tip will remain as is, so this is the amount they're going to pay before the tip is applied. If you want to allow them to tip you, you can select from percentages or amounts here. You could also set a custom amount. And if you have several staff members and would like to manage the tip distribution, this is where you can set it up. You can also continue without tip. Now another pop-up will appear. So do you want to create an invoice for this order? Click Create Invoice to start creating it. An invoice will automatically be created, so you can go ahead and take a look at it. This is what your customers will be receiving and seeing. Above, you'll see some options that you can do with it. You can share it as a link, print it, record the payment. You can also view all of your invoices or send this invoice via email. Feel free to select what you want to do or how you would like this invoice to be sent to your selected customer. And there you have it. That's how you create an invoice for unpaid orders in Wix. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.